Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the Authenticator app on Windows or running the Android version in an emulator. Make sure Windows is updated and you can sign into the Microsoft Store. This avoids permissions issues. Once done, sign into the app with your Microsoft account or set it to work offline. Prepare the service account you'll secure, log into that site now, and open its two-step or two-factor settings so you can add a new Authenticator entry immediately. Next, in the service's security settings, choose to add a new authenticator. It will show a QR code and a manual key. In the Windows app, pick Scan QR or Manual Entry. If using an emulator, load the QR image into the virtual camera or paste the key into the app. Make sure your PC clock is accurate because time drift breaks codes. If everything looks correct, enter the generated code back on the website to confirm the pairing and save the backup codes. Finally, test the setup by signing out and signing back in using the newly generated code. Once verified, export or securely record recovery keys and enable AppSync if available so you don't lose access. If something goes wrong, first confirm system time sync. Time mismatch is the most common problem. If that doesn't help, reinstall the app and rescan the QR using the saved key, or use the site's backup codes to regain access and reset two-factor settings on the account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.